In order to delete a user on a PlayStation 5, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you are logged in with an account with admin access. Then go to the top menu and select on settings just like so. Then go ahead and select on users and accounts. From here, please go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says delete users. Then go ahead and find the user that you would like to delete. Go ahead and pick the user profile you want to remove. Then go ahead and confirm the deletion over here. Now, here are important things to know. This will delete all local data for that user, including saved games, screenshots, and video clips. Games purchased digitally will not be deleted from the console, but the deleted user will no longer have access to them. And if the user had a PS Plus cloud saves, those remain online under that PSN account. And remember, a PSN account is different from a PlayStation user. To remove a PSN account, that is a whole separate process, but this is going to remove a PSN user. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.